Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for creative garden ideas, interior greenery, and stylish outdoor living inspiration. Before we begin, we kindly ask for your support to help our channel grow by subscribing, leaving a comment, clicking the like button, and sharing this video with your outdoor design-loving friends and family. If you want a vibrant, lush, and inviting garden that stays green all year round regardless of the changing seasons, you have come to the right place. Today we are diving deep into the world of evergreen backyard landscaping, exploring clever design principles, plant selections, and layout ideas that keep your outdoor retreat looking lively 365 days a year. Incorporating evergreen trees, shrubs, and ground covers ensures your yard maintains structural beauty, privacy, and rich color even through the harshest winter months. Stay tuned as we share design secrets and count down our top 10 best evergreen backyard landscaping ideas to transform your home exterior. Evergreen backyard landscaping refers to the deliberate design and planting of a garden using trees, shrubs, perennials, and ground cover species that retain their foliage and rich green color throughout all 4 seasons. Unlike deciduous plants that shed their leaves in autumn, an evergreen garden provides a continuous structural foundation, vibrant textures, and year-round visual appeal for your outdoor living space. Having an evergreen backyard landscape offers fantastic environmental, functional, and aesthetic benefits for any homeowner. First and foremost, evergreens act as permanent privacy screens, windbreaks, and natural sound barriers that protect your yard from unwanted noise and harsh weather all year long. Additionally, because these resilient plants do not lose their leaves seasonally, they drastically reduce backyard maintenance, raking, and cleanup while providing year-round shelter and habitat for local birds and beneficial wildlife. To decorate your evergreen backyard landscaping to look beautiful, focus on layering different plant heights, contrasting foliage colors, and combining soft leaves with natural hardscaping elements. Mix deep green conifers with golden blue tinted and variegated foliage to create eye-catching visual depth rather than a uniform sea of green. Incorporate natural stone retaining walls, dark bark mulch, smooth river rocks, and paved pathways to frame your evergreen beds, while adding strategic landscape lighting to highlight unique tree silhouettes at night. The best plants for evergreen backyard landscaping include versatile trees and shrubs that offer distinct shapes, textures, and growth habits. Columnar arborvitae, cypress, and tall pine species provide exceptional vertical height and privacy hedges, while rounded boxwoods, dwarf spruces, and spreading junipers create dense, sculptural lower layers. You can also integrate broadleaf evergreens like rhododendrons, laurels, and hostas around rock borders to introduce soft, broad textures alongside needle-leaf conifers. Designing an evergreen landscape is one of the most rewarding ways to ensure your outdoor space remains attractive, private, and full of life all year round. By combining evergreen trees of varying heights, textures, and foliage shades, you can build a low-maintenance sanctuary that looks tailored and luxurious in every season. Let's explore our top 10 evergreen backyard landscaping ideas to kickstart your next garden transformation. One, sculptural conifer border with mixed foliage textures. Featuring tall hinoki cypress and narrow juniper trees rising above silver-gray shrubs, soft blue fescue grasses, and bright chartreuse ground covers set in dark wood mulch. 2. Tall arborvitae living privacy wall on retaining bed. A dense, perfectly aligned hedge of emerald green arborvitae planted atop a stacked stone retaining wall, creating an impenetrable green privacy screen along a driveway. 3. Curved brick pathway with mounded evergreen balls. Carefully clipped globes of boxwood and mounded ornamental grasses line a warm tan brick paver path, contrasting beautifully with surrounding broadleaf shrubs and a classic red brick wall. 4. Rock garden feature with hostas and dwarf spruces. A smooth river rock bed accented by a large gray boulder, vibrant green hostas, mounded dwarf conifers, and a towering blue spruce background. 5. Cottage-style winter garden with frost-kissed conifers. Nestled in front of a rustic wooden cabin, an assortment of conical spruce trees, upright junipers, and mounded evergreen shrubs showcase their texture on a crisp winter morning. 6. Modern deck terrace with narrow evergreen column borders. Sleek dark timber decking opens to a pristine green lawn, framed by slender emerald arborvitaes, flowering hydrangea shrubs, white gravel mulch, and a wooden privacy fence. 7. Multi-level decks surrounded by dense cypress foliage. Cascading wooden staircases and curved deck railings built around mature, feathery hinoki cypress trees, integrating elevated outdoor living seamlessly into a wooded hillside. 8. Sculpted evergreen topiary garden with golden cypress. A stunning array of manicured spherical boxwoods, conical arborvitae, blue star junipers, and bright golden cypress arranged over a clean gravel bed. 9. Mountain view lawn edge with pine trees and rose bushes. Framed by a majestic mountain backdrop, an expansive green lawn meets a natural bark mulch border filled with dense pine trees, dark plum foliage, and red rose shrubs. 10. Formal garden bed with golden conifers and purple rhododendrons. A rich curved garden bed featuring tall conical thujas, weeping gold thread cypress, white tulips, and a magnificent blooming purple rhododendron bush. With these 10 magnificent evergreen backyard landscaping ideas, you can design an outdoor space that stays gorgeous, fresh, and welcoming throughout every season. Whether you prefer formal topiary arrangements, multi-level deck integrations, or dense privacy screens, evergreens offer the perfect balance of durability and elegance. Choose your favorite look, plan your layout, and transform your backyard into an evergreen paradise today. Creating an evergreen backyard is all about crafting a timeless outdoor sanctuary that thrives year-round with minimal upkeep. By combining varying plant shapes, colorful foliage, and structural hardscaping, you establish a garden that brings comfort, privacy, and value to your home. Start mapping out your landscape beds today and enjoy the lasting beauty of a permanently green yard. If these evergreen backyard landscaping ideas inspired your next garden renovation, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly outdoor living inspiration. Share your thoughts or favorite landscape idea in the comments section below, and click the notification bell so you never miss a new video.